The stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream. I don't know if you guys are doing. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. Let me just check the audio levels. All right, sounds pretty good. What is going on, guys? Let's start the live stream here. Also on TikTok, real quick. Let's get the TikTok set up. Go. All right, we're live now everywhere. Awesome. Thank you guys just coming to the live stream. Appreciate everyone on here. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys think. Just checking out the markets. Let me know if there's any coins you guys want me to check out. Just checking out here. Let's check out the daily. Look here at the markets, right? Also, L6 is up pretty good on the daily altcoin too. Weekly. How much is them right now? 40? Are you kidding me? Just checking out the daily real quick, see what coins are up and down. Elon Mars up 11%. So we got some coins up. Take a look on the monthly. The coins are still down. Avax still down 31%. Pretty good. Jasmy too. Hey, you guys are coming to the live. Don't forget to like. Just taking a look at the crypto market. This is my watch list here on Crypto Bubbles. It's my favorite coins. But we'll take a look at the market, right? Take a look here at Bitcoin as well as some other coins. If there's any coins you guys want me to check out, just comment them below. We'll take a look at them. Bitcoin at 85. Oh, let's see right here. Take a look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance holding 61. Not bad. How you been, brother? I've been great. Great to see. Shout out to Great to see. I've been great. How about you? Let me know how you guys been. What you guys been up to? As you guys know, every time I buy or sell, I share it in the Telegram. If you guys want to join, it's free. But I shared the recent coins I bought in the last couple of weeks. But let's check out some of your favorite coins. Comment the coins you guys want me to check out. We got Bitcoin dominance here. Others, and others looks like it's at a good place right here. Oh, there's dominance as well. Putting in a new low right there. Great holding and buying more like you. Awesome, man. That's great. I'm still very bullish on the market. I know a lot of people are bearish. We're getting a lot. We're starting to see a lot of big people turn bearish. I think that's bullish. We're starting to see a lot of YouTubers turn bearish. So I think that's a good signal. Check us out. Can you look at Chainlink? Sure, we'll take a look at Chainlink. I actually just made a video on Chainlink, believe it or not, that I'm uploading tomorrow on my price prediction for Chainlink. So If you want to watch that video, it's on YouTube. It'll be on YouTube tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So check out my YouTube. But let's take a look here at Chainlink. Still looking really good here. In fact, Chainlink was one of my big buys here on this drop. I was able to buy. I never thought I'd be able to buy Chainlink, you know, under at 12 bucks again, and I did. And you know, you can see right here, there's a big reason why I did. Chainlink came down here to that 618. So far that looks like it was a great buy, right? We came down here. Let's just see if Chainlink, if that was the bottom, and Chainlink can start to move up. But Chainlink is still looking great. And if you bought right here, definitely, I mean, even right now, even under 15 bucks, I think it's still a great buy. Right? It's not like Chainlink came all the way down, broke its previous low, and is closing below this level. Right? So it's still looking very strong. Chainlink is definitely one of my big holdings in my portfolio for sure. So thank you for the follows, guys. But I'm bullish on Chainlink. You know, conservatively, right here, based on Fibonacci, 100 bucks, which is basically a 2x from its previous all-time high. But I believe it'll go to a, you know, 130, 140. If Chainlink really does have a good bull market, if you see Bitcoin at 200k this bull market, you'll definitely see Bitcoin here at 200. Okay, so it's very situational, but I see Chainlink at least $100 plus, at least. So very bullish on Chainlink. It was one of my big buys here on this drop. It definitely was. So. And again, guys, you guys want to buy coins that have the same structure that Chainlink has, where we're on an uptrend, right? If your coin you're buying on this drop with Bitcoin coming down did something like that, okay, and it is doing something like this in bear market territory, that's not a good buy, right? That's not a good sign. I mean, just imagine if Chainlink did that. Would you be more confident in Chainlink if Chainlink came down here under 10 bucks and was still struggling down here? I don't think so, right? So this is why Chainlink is still very bullish here, and it's been holding this market structure to the upside. So yeah. But let's take a look at some more coins. Let's see what coins you guys got. Badger, what's up, bro? How you been? Yeah, I was so a big reason why I haven't been live streaming, guys, is because I've been working on my course and my WAP too. I finally set up my WAP, and I'm gonna drop my course on the WAP. And let me tell you guys, it's so much time consuming. I mean, my course is 3 hours plus. It's like 3 hours. I had to edit all that, and I had to basically, well, I had to film all that. Just imagine filming 3 hours plus, then editing 3 hours plus, and now I'm still, you know, I'll probably say like I'm 40% done. Okay, so that's why I've been doing it. That's what I've been up to. But yeah, my WAP is up if you guys want to check it out. That's where you can get my indicators. So like I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin will probably top out here somewhere based on my indicator. We can see that. Yeah, I mean, we can see that. This is one of my indicators right here. We can see Bitcoin top out right here at 2017, 2021. And look, you can see right here. You can see why we had a bit. While this was a local top, right? We got a lot of resistance right there. I mean, just like we had here in the past, right? So, I believe Bitcoin will eventually break out and top out somewhere right here. Somewhere right here in that red region right there. That's where I believe, where I see Bitcoin topping out based on my indicator. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Appreciate all the likes on YouTube. So VRSC, what coin is that? VRRC, what? SNA, what's up, SNA? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Shout out to SNA, my moderator. Great to have you on here, bro. Awesome, anytime. And yeah, I mean, let's take a look at Bitcoin, at the bullish side, the bearish side, right? One thing here is Bitcoin. Like, this is why I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been holding this, and honestly, March is gonna tell us if we're gonna be going up or down more, right? If in March we can just hold this level, we're very bullish. This is a big uptrend here that we've been for Bitcoin since 25K, since the bottom. So Bitcoin has been holding this really good. On this drop, you can see that's exactly where we find that bottom right there, at least so far on this downtrend right here. I mean, this uptrend, right? From the bottom to 25K bounce, and now we meet it again. So if we break that, let's say, I mean, we broke it, but we didn't close under it, right? If we close under this, let's say we turn around here and we break this to the downside, then most likely Bitcoin is going to come to 73, 70, maybe even, 68 right there, right? And tag this uptrend. So it's a if this situation, if this then that situation. But so far we've been holding it, and March is not done. So March is gonna tell us if we're going down there or not, depending where we close. If we close here under 80, if we close under 81K, then yeah. If we close above 82, then no. Most likely we'll keep this uptrend going. So, but again, look, the majority of people have changed bearish, and they've been saying that Bitcoin is gonna come back here in this region, 73K, 70K, around there. And this is a great lesson on this drop. I did buy right when Bitcoin was the days, when Bitcoin came down under 80K, 77, 78, even above 80, I've been buying. There's been people saying, don't buy yet, don't buy just yet, we're going lower. But you don't know, right, guys? Like, it's not guaranteed if we're going lower or not for Bitcoin. But one thing that is guaranteed is that the market is very, the sentiment is very low, right? You saw fear and greed index hit 10. You saw, we're very oversold. Everyone is bearish. Everyone this and that. So that was a sign right there. That was a great time to buy. So that's why I've been buying. And, for the people that, like I said, there's greed on the upside as well as greed on the downside, right? So a lot of people might be greedy right now, waiting for lower entries, but we might not hit 70K Bitcoin, at least not until next bear market. So, you don't want to go all in, but instead, I definitely buy. I think it was a great time to buy. Yeah, XCN. Let's check out XCN, Jasmy. I am him. How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. So Jasmy, XCN. All right, let's check out Jasmy. A lot of you guys asking for Jasmy. We got multiple people asking for Jasmy. If there's one coin that everyone asks me all the time when I'm live, it's Jasmy, for sure, every single time. But it's great to have you guys on here. I still have my Jasmy. I'm still bullish on Jasmy, but let me just check out. Where's my old Jasmy chart? This one. This is a better chart. Yeah, then we'll check out XCN, XLM, all those coins. Don't worry, guys. Man, Jasmy lost its support. I mean, it's pretty big, right? Losing this point of control right here. So even though it lost its support, like I said, March is gonna tell us if we're going lower or not, right? March is a big month here, not just for Bitcoin but for the whole market. And what I'll be watching here for Jasmy is where it closes here in March. If it can close back up here, if we can come back up here and close above 0.15, then we're bullish. If not, if we close right here where it's at right now, then it's not looking good, right? It's bearish. Most likely the next target here for Jasmy, it's right here. Okay, where it finds a level of support. So it's situational. It depends a lot based on where we close here in March. Right now, it's not looking that good if it closes here. But again, we can wick back up here, right? March is not over. We can wick back up here, close above 0.15 or so, and start working our way up. And you'll see this huge wick back up. That'll be bullish. If not, if we close right here or lower, we're probably going to drop more to here and try to find some support here. So That's my opinion on Jasmy, to be honest. Yeah, but it did lose its support. And this is the thing, right, guys? Like we pump up here, we test it, bounce off, we test it again multiple times, bounce off, right? We have this resistance here, double top, we test it for a third time. And when you just keep testing it over and over like this, at some point, at least the third time, it's gonna break, right? Most likely. So, and it broke. So let's see if Jasmy can come back up there. Thank you guys for coming to the live. You guys been doing great. Thank you for the likes. Let's check out the next coin. I believe it was XCN, right? XCN. Let's take a look here. XCN. Onyx. It's a coin I've been holding still as well. Still been holding my XCN. I've been procrastinating on buying more XCN. I've been wanting to buy more. I've been procrastinating on it a little bit. But, I mean, this is a coin that went parabolic right before we had the big crash here for the market. And one thing that I like the fact that XCN is not crashing all the way down here, right? It's not like a pump and dump where it's crashing all the way down here, right? Even though it went parabolic, I mean, it came down. How much it came down here? It came down 78%. So even though it's down 78%, it's not like it's not like it's all the way down here to where it was back in December, right? It's still very high compared to what was in December. The question is it going to keep dropping down there, right? And yeah, I mean, we can see why it's finding some support right here from the past. You can see there's a little bit of support here, right? And that's where we're trying to find some support. So I would say, right, be patient with it, right? Let it flatten out here. We're in this very aggressive downtrend, but once it starts to flatten out and even out here, balance out, that'll be a good time to buy, right? Right now, it's still not confirmed yet. If we're starting to flatten out and have a reversal, we can still come down lower and lower. So I'll let it flatten out here. Wait a couple, maybe a week or two, right, for XCN. But you know, it's already down 78%. So it's not a bad time to buy if you're long term this coin, right? If you're gonna hold this term long term, if you believe it can go back up to 5 cents plus. But I'll be patient with this. I mean, this can definitely come down lower. It's in this aggressive downtrend here and on the weekly, as you can see, right? But on long term, I mean, this most likely we're probably gonna put in a higher low here, right? We're gonna probably do something like this, put in a higher low, and then start to come up. So, still very bullish. TDS, how you doing, bro? How I think about Aero. Yeah, let's take a look here, Aero. Before that, let me see some coins that people asked here before. We got XLM, Sonic. Let's take a look at Sonic, then XLM, because shout out to Bebop. Take a look at Sonic, which is FTM, right? Is FTM and Sonic the same thing? Oh no, I think it changed. Yeah, man. Is there a chart? Because Sonic used to be FTM, right? Is there still a chart where it has like a FTM or Sonic's history? Okay, this one, perfect, awesome. Because yeah, like I want to see a chart that has FTM's history, which is now Sonic, because like the new Sonic charts, it cuts out FTM's history here. So yeah, this is Sonic right here we're taking a look at. And man, to be honest, Sonic didn't, it didn't take a huge hit here compared to the other coins. Luxo, what's up, Luxo? How often do you go live, Lewis? So I usually go live pretty often, at least every other day. But the reason why I haven't been recently is because I've been working on my course, which was 3 hours worth of filming, and then I have 3 hours worth of editing. And I'm 40% done with the course. It's coming out most likely this month to next month, probably this month, at the end of this month. So that's why I haven't been live, but I do go live often, and when the course is done, I'm gonna be live probably every other day. So Sonic, we can see here Sonic is down. Well, it came down 70, already came down 78%, but right now it's down 64%. So not bad. Sonic's been holding up pretty well. I mean, you look at this chart, right? It's not like Sonic came down here and put in a new low. And that's why I tell you guys, the closing is everything, right? Imagine if we would have closed down here, that would have been bearish. We would have been closing below the previous low here, putting in a new low. But that's not what happened, right? There was a lot of fear here, and then we wick all the way back up. And this is why I show Fibonacci to you guys, because Sonic's been closing at the 618. Okay. So for how much is that? 3 months now. It's been closing here in that 618, which is bullish. And you can see, okay, that's why this month is so important. If we close again here or above the 618 in the golden pocket, we're still very bullish on Sonic. I mean, just showing this it shows you it shows you there's a lot of buyers down here at that 0.38, pushing it all the way back up here. And most likely you're going to put in a higher low here and start to move up. So Sonic's looking great. I do like how it's looking here. If this was a bearish coin, we would have put in a new low here and been struggling in this level right here, right? So yeah, anytime. But yeah, like when I say a coin is looking bullish, like Sonic's looking bullish, that means it's a good buy, right? I think, not financial advice, but I think Sonic is a great buy based on the chart. Like Jasmy, on the other hand, Jasmy is a coin that, you know, you should wait before buying, because it could drop down further. Same thing with the other coin I showed you. What type of course for what? Okay, so my just a sneak peek on my course. It's gonna be called the 8 signals to sell the top. And this is not just like a generic crypto course. It's a course that's specific on this time period, that has a plan, like it has a goal, right? And this course is called the 8 signals to sell the top, because I give you 8 signals using the charts, like just a sneak peek. One of the signals is Fibonacci, right? So that's one of the signals, but I give you 8 signals on selling the top, selling at the top of the crypto market, the bull market, and getting the most profits. Because the thing is, guys, like the average crypto investor out there, they're just swinging it, right? I mean, they're just going through this bull market and just selling and buying whenever they feel like it. They really don't have a plan. And when you have a plan, when you have an exit strategy, right? And this is why I'm creating this course called the 8 signals to sell the top. When you have all this, you have a clear plan, a clear mindset that when these signals flash green, well, that's gonna help you sell despite the euphoria, despite the greed, despite all the bullish influencers. You see what I'm saying? So this is why I created this course. And I already did 40% of it. I already recorded it and everything. I had to edit it. I'm already done 40%, so I'll let you guys know when it comes out. But I'm really excited about it. Let's check out another coin. Let me know if you're still here. The person that said XLM, let me know if you're still here. Zero asked for Chainlink. Let's do AOS. I know he asked for AOS a while back. We'll do Chainlink again. Just give me a sec. Yeah, let's see if AOS is a great buy right now, or if not. Right, because like I said, this drop, guys, is a great opportunity if you missed out on AI, if you missed out on a lot of big narratives out there like AI, crypto gaming, RWA. It's a great time to, great opportunity to buy, right? So AOS, one of the biggest recoveries here from the bull market, the bear market that is. I want to see a better chart here that has more history. Let me see if I can find one. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, AOS sits down already. It's already down. It came down 84%. It's down 78% right now. Right, it broke its support right here, which is a pretty big deal. But I mean, in the long picture, it's still up a really good amount, and we can see there's a lot. This is the next support level right here, and we can see we got a bounce off of that. That's pretty good. Now, what you got to watch out for here, most likely when we start coming up, this is going to be resistance. We cannot let this be resistance. Put in a lower high, and then come down here. Right, if it does something like that, it's very bearish. But I think it's not a bad time to buy, right? It doesn't mean we can't come down lower, but in this level right here, down 80% already, I think it's a great time to buy. If we come down here in the next level, it'll be another great time to buy, right? But I think AOS coming from the bear market, it has everything to flip this level right here as support, right? So it was resistance here for, what was that, like 3 months? So 3 months it was resistance, broke through it, right? Double top, broke through that support, and now it could flip this as support and then start that reversal to the upside and do something like that. So that's why I like AOS, but you know, it doesn't mean it will come down lower. It could definitely come down lower. It's just, it's not, you know, I can't tell you if it is going to come down lower. But one thing I could tell you is a great time to buy. It's down 80% and it's retesting this previous support. So yeah, thank you, Aerodrum. We'll check out Aerodrum. Taylor, what's up, Taylor? Dude, you literally called that. You said March 19th, the bull market. Really? I said that? That's crazy. Shout out to Taylor. I mean, look, I'm not saying the bull market starts right now. I'm just saying that I was bullish, but I'm not saying the bull market or like the market's just gonna go up from now. But shout out to Taylor. He's been watching my videos. I think the video he's talking about too is when I talked about money supply. I still say bull run top is April. You think this April? Oh look, if we have a bull run, I don't think it's gonna be this April, right? Really? I said March 19th? Wow. That's crazy. I gotta check out that video then. I must have forgot about it. Yeah, look, if we do have a bull run and we recover, definitely in the fall, going on to the end of the year. Just like Rusty said. Shout out to Rusty. I just see like, I can't see us recover so fast to where April's the top. April could have been the top if Bitcoin would have kept going up, right? If Bitcoin would have kept going up here and not had this big correction, April would have been the top. And like, I want to share one of my favorite indicators, guys, here. I want to share one of my favorite indicators with you guys, which is this one right here, Pi cycle indicator. Where is it? There we go. This is one of my favorite indicators, and this is why I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. You said March 19th on one of your live videos. Oh, okay, one of my live videos. Oh, wow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for remembering. Shout out to Bebop and Taylor. I gotta start clipping my lives. I gotta start clipping my lives. But this is the pi cycle indicator. Is one of my favorite. Let me see. Do you guys prefer a black background? Let me know if you guys prefer a black background, or if you guys like this lighter Easter color background. But let me know if you guys prefer that or this, right? Not too black, like maybe gray. Let me know if you guys prefer a black ground like that. Background. You guys prefer this? But look, I'm showing you guys here the pi cycle indicator. This is one of my indicators. I just made a different version of the pi cycle. Okay, black. Okay, I'll keep it black. All right. So basically, the pi cycle indicator has accurately predicted the tops the previous cycles. Whoa, thank you, Angelo. Shout out to Angelo. Thank you for the treasure chest. Appreciate it. I don't think I ever got a treasure chest before, so thank you so much, Angelo. Black, okay, black sweater, okay. So yeah, this is the pi cycle indicator. I made my own version, but here you can see 2021 pi cycle top, and I'll show you how this indicator works. Basically, all this indicator is, it's two MAs, right? You have the 111 and the 350, which is in green. So these are two moving averages in which once they start to contract, right? Once they start to contract and flip, the 111 flips to 350, that signals the top. And that was the top here for 2017, right? 2017, 2018. Boom, perfect. Then what happens? After the top, they start to just go distant, right? Distant, and that signals a good time to buy during the bear market. But again, what happens again? We almost, look, this is what's crazy. This is what's crazy right here. Back in 2019, if we would have kept going up, right, we probably would have got a top very soon for the pi cycle indicator, because we were contracting. We were getting started to contract here. But we didn't. We got the COVID drop, and then boom, we blasted off, and guess what happened? Contracted again. That signal on the top, and it was a top, right? So I believe, and right now, fast forward, this is how we're looking right now. This is how we're looking right now. And this is why I love these dips, right? Because, for example, this dip right here, when Bitcoin was 74K, remember that top when Bitcoin hit 74K and everyone was calling that to be the top before the halving, right? Well, we didn't contract here in the pi cycle indicator. In fact, this dip was great, because if we would have kept going up here to 100K or so, we would have probably contracted right there prematurely. You see what I'm saying? So this dip helped this widen out, and now we have more room to go up before it contracts, just like it did right here in 2021, right? And also in 2017. So this is the pi cycle indicator, one of my favorite indicators so far. The last cycles, the last 3 cycles, look at that. Even 2013, even 2013, it's been super accurate. And you can see this is going to be one of the signs that if this happens, I don't care where Bitcoin's at, guys. Bitcoin could be 150K, 200K, wherever it's at. Once this happens, it's time to sell, right? But again, this is not an indicator that you're gonna wait on, right? This is just a side indicator, right? So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you guys for the follows. Okay, Black, where's the US dollar index sitting at? Yeah, great time to DCA. Let me know the next coin you guys want me to check out. Bitcoin dominance still coming up pretty strong. We can see right there. What's the name of the indicator? It's called Pi Cycle, but I made my own version. I saw my own indicators. I made my own version. What's different about my own version for the Pi Cycle, guys, is that basically 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 it has these dots right here that shows you when they flash. So this is, you want to use this on the weekly. But in my indicator, you see how these green hills right here, you see how you see these green hills? When you see this drop here in green, that's telling you the MA difference. That's telling you the difference. There's like no difference, and that's when you see this huge drop in green. That's telling you that the top is in right there, right? That's contracting. And again, here we're up in green, and then we have a huge. I mean, look at it. It's like we fall off a cliff. Boom, right? And then we get that red sign right there. That's the top. So I mean, this is, if you can just get it for free with the 2 MAs, but this is my version. Yeah. Yeah, let's check out some more coins. Before I check out some more coins, I also want to share this for Bitcoin. Right here, right in purple. This is why I'm still very bullish. The money supply is going up, right? Let me actually put it in let's put it in green since it's money supply. We're seeing the money supply is going up, right? The M2 money supply, global liquidity index. We're going up here. Bitcoin is coming down here. So, I mean, this is a good, I mean, this doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to pump the next day, but this is a good sign. Eventually, Bitcoin is going to take a big run up very soon, just like we did right here. You can see how we were running up here, right? And we can also check here on the monthly. You can see how well correlated this is, right? Right here back in 2020, right, with all the money printing. Like, you can see how it just goes vertical. You see how it goes vertical? With the stimulus checks and all that, look at that. It went vertical. And that's why we had the altcoin season right there. So once this starts to move up again, and they start coming out with those Doge checks, right? You have you have the government printing more money. That's when we're gonna have our big pump here for Bitcoin in the crypto market. So in my opinion, this is the main cause of altcoin season. And is the indicator one of the 8s? Yes. I wouldn't say that indicator specifically, but it is part of one of the signals. Yeah, it is part of one of the 8 signals. Diamond, what's up, Diamond? Sir Diamond, how you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream, man. Great to have you on here. If you guys want to know where I've been working on my course. I'm already done 40% with it. It's gonna be called the 8 signals to sell the top. It's a course. It's not just a regular crypto course. It's a course made for the specific time, because I'm making it because the average investor or crypto investor is just winging it, right? The majority of them are just winging it. They're just selling or buying whenever they feel like it. And I feel like when you're just doing that, you can easily get caught up into greed and euphoria and miss out the best time to buy, to sell, right? Just like back in 2021, we had that euphoria stage right there, and a lot of people didn't sell. So you want to have a plan, you want to be focused and sell at the right time. TDS, my bad. Let's do Arrow. We'll check out Arrow and some of your other favorite coins. I think we're going up from here. So I'll answer that right after I check out Arrow. So Arrow, let's take a look at Arrow. Aerodrum. I mean, Arrow it's holding on here for its dear life, right? Let's be honest. Arrow is holding. I mean, this is its last line of support right here where it's at. So Arrow really depends a lot on Bitcoin right now, moving up. And I mean, it's at the perfect time, right? So Bitcoin, if this move up for Bitcoin is legit and we're going back to 90K plus and, you know, working our way up, this most likely is the bottom for Arrow. Like right now, I don't think it's a bad time to buy Arrow, because again, right? People are saying, there's probably a lot of influencers saying we're going lower, we're going lower. And let me change the color here. But the way that you play this out is you buy some, right? You're bullish on Arrow, so you buy some. I mean, it's literally at its last line of support. You don't go all in, you buy some because it's very, I mean, it's down a lot if you're still bullish on it. And then most likely there's a big possibility of Bitcoin going up, that this is the bottom and we start to bounce off this support and we start to have a reversal. But if not, right, we have a big drop, you didn't go all in. But we could see that, yeah, if Arrow loses this support right here, if we get a closing here, if we get a closing here below 45 cents or so, then that's a very, this is why this monthly candle is going to be very important to where it closes. If you can close around above that, we're still very bullish, and this could be the reversal, right? The start of the reversal with Bitcoin going up as well. And though, look, there'll be a gap where, let's say Bitcoin goes to 90k, 93k or so, Arrow's probably going to pump up to like 56 around here. And there'll be a gap to where you can buy Arrow before it pumps up to like 70 cents around here. So that usually happens a lot of times. Bitcoin will pump first, and there'll be a small window to where you could buy a lot of altcoins before they go up like 30% in a day or something. So that's what I'd be watching. But in my opinion, not a bad time to buy if you're bullish on it. Like, I missed out on Arrow. I honestly might pick up some Arrow, because instead of buying it here when it was like over $1, this is definitely a great buying opportunity right at 52 cents. So it's my opinion. Which Doge checks are you talking? I was talking about the possible Doge checks with right, it's not confirmed yet, but it's possibility. XRP, I only bought 4, started Monday, my journey in crypto. Wow, congrats. Congrats to Jump 22 on your crypto journey. And this is why I live stream, guys. I live stream because there's a lot of new people coming into the crypto market. And you know, if you're a crypto beginner out there, just like Jump, feel free to ask any questions. I know it could be overwhelming, but you can ask any questions you guys want. Chainlink, Brett, Polkadot. All right, I got you guys. I got you. Let's do a link real quick, and then we'll do Brett. Even though I already checked out Chainlink, I'll check it out again. If you guys still haven't followed me on YouTube, follow me on YouTube. I just recorded a video today on my Chainlink price prediction for 2025, for not 2025, this bull market coming out tomorrow. So follow me on there to check out the video. But yeah, Chainlink, I'm bullish on Chainlink because we're looking like that, right? I mean, we came down here, we got a beautiful bounce off that 618 right there, and we can see that, you know, on this crash, Chainlink does, it's not like Chainlink closes below its previous low here. If it's doing, it's not like struggling down here, holding $10, you know, trying to move up. It comes down here to the 618, gets a decent bounce. So Chainlink is still in this really nice uptrend after that bear market accumulation phase right there, where it was just ranging, and you have a higher big move here, come down to the 618, bounce off of that right there. And now all we're doing, guys, is we're retesting that same level, creating a higher low, right? If we possibly reverse it, we'll create the higher low and we start to move up. So Chainlink is still in this really long uptrend here, and these are the coins you guys want to invest in. Chainlink is the perfect coin that you want, of a coin you want to invest in long term, because it's one of the big coins out there. It's not too high cap. Okay, it's not in the top 10, I believe. Yeah, it's not in the top 10. It's not like it's a super high cap coin. It's a safe coin, right? It's the biggest oracle in terms of projects. And the number one thing, it looks really good on the charts, right? We look really good in the charts. So Chainlink has a lot of green flags. There's a lot of good signs for Chainlink. I think it's a great coin to have in the portfolio. And look, Chainlink, for sure, I believe will go to $100 plus, at least $100 plus, right? I'm bullish on Chainlink, and it was definitely one of the coins I bought. I even put in the Telegram, which is free. When I was buying Chainlink here at $12, 14. So even right now, I think it's still a great time to buy. Yo, I'm texting you, and I think, yeah, it's a fake account. Matthew, please block that person. I don't text first, and yeah, I never message first, guys. So if someone's texting you with my profile pic and my name, it's not me. All right, let's check out Brett. Thank you, Bebop. Thank you so much, Bebop, for the kind words. Let's take a look here at Brett. Pinky, I'll take a look at Pinky. GRT, okay, I got you. GRT next, I got you. All right, so Brett, man, Brett came down a lot. I'm still holding my Brett, to be honest. But we saw, right, when Brett lost this level of support, it came down here to the lows. But we could see it's here to the April 2024 lows, right? So I mean, this is a coin that came to how much did Brett come down here so far? 80. It came down 88%. Right now it's at 85. So Brett came down a lot. And you know, most likely it's gonna start to reverse here. Come up here to 0.45, you know, find some resistance. And then, all right, found some resistance, put in a higher low, and then break that, and then, you know, it's most likely Brett's gonna come up, back to this big point of control, and find a big resistance here. The thing is, once it comes back up here, it cannot, you know, put in a lower high. That'll be super bearish. But yeah, I'm bullish on Brett. I think this coin can definitely recover. It's really under its big point of control. And basically the point of control, the way it works is, look, when a coin is super above the big point of control, that means it's unbalanced. It's most likely going to come back to it and break it. Now it's super under its big point of control, which means it's a great time to buy. It's very oversold, and most likely it's going to come back to it, kind of have some resistance, and then eventually break it. So I think this is the last support level here for Brett. And yeah, I'm still bullish on base. So being bullish on base, I think Brett's gonna do well with base doing well. So yeah. Thank you guys for the likes. What was the next coin? GRT, right? GRT. GRT. The graph. Okay, so the graph here. Yeah, so the graph is basically here to its October lows here of 2023. Retesting that support. What's up, Bomber Spam? We're just checking out some crypto coins here. Just checking out to see if they're a buy or not. But yeah, GRT is revisiting its lows here from October of 2023. So this coin is down. Actually came down 83%. It's down 80% right now from 2024 highs here. So it's down over 80%, right? And even being down so much, it's still not like it's at its all-time lows here at 5 cents, right? Or breaking its all-time lows from back in 2022. So at least that's a positive, but it's still down a lot. We did put in a lower high here, right? We kind of had like a head and shoulders, break a neckline, and then big drop. So yeah, I mean, GRT, I believe this is probably gonna be the reversal here of Bitcoin going up to. I think there's a lot of support here, especially wicking down here. Most likely will run up, but there'll probably be a good opportunity here very soon, right? If we miss out on this pump where it comes back down under 10 cents. I just think right now, you know, you're not gonna see these lower cap coins pump anytime soon until, you know, Ethereum starts to take off, Solana. Those coins are probably gonna pump first. But once you see that, then you'll probably see the graph pump back up here. But for sure, it's definitely gonna come back up here to its point of control at 12 cents and find some resistance there. So maybe you're trading the graph right now. If you see it around 12 to 11 cents, around there, 13 cents, probably get some resistance, come back to 10, and then eventually break it. But I'm bullish long term. I think the graph will eventually survive. All right, we can see right there. Yeah, I think the graph is a good buy. It's just I'll wait to see where this weekly candle closes. Right, so we had a good candle here. If we close like this, then I would buy, right? I would wait to see here. So I'll wait around 4 days to see where this weekly candle closes. If we close like this in the green, then I would say it's a good time to not go all in, of course, but accumulate DCA, right? Dollar cost average a little bit of the graph. Where, I mean, back in last year it was 36 cents, 50 cents in March. So I mean, that's a 5x from where it's at right now. Buying the graph, if it recovers back to the March highs of 50 cents, that's a 5x right there. All right, Pinky, Avax. Yeah, I'll check out Avax. Don't worry. What is this Pinky coin you guys are asking about? Is it on Is Pinky on TradingView? Is it on trading? Or is it like a super low cap coin? So, Bomber says, so no rate cuts from the Feds play a role. So I didn't see the FOMC meeting. Some people are saying it was kind of in the middle. Some people are saying that it's bullish, but I think based off what people have been saying, I think they're gonna cut rates later on, and maybe in May. I think next month. There's a lot of people saying they're gonna cut rates, most likely. So I mean, once that happens, we'll probably see the market take off even higher. Right. So I think right now we're already starting to see the market price in the rate cuts possibly coming next month. That's why we're starting to come up a little bit. So yeah, mostly maybe probably June. Yeah. Only if the market tanks more and, you know, inflation comes down more, then maybe May. Oh, you did blame tariffs? All right, I'll check out B&B, but let me check out Avax first here. Let's take a look here at Avax. See how Avalanche is looking. So we can see Avalanche lost that 618 support, which is not good, to be honest. Right, we lost that support. Not good. Come here to that 0.78 Fibonacci level right there. Find some support right here. But, I mean, we have to come back up here. Right? We have to come up and close back here. At least in the 618, around 20, above 20 bucks. So I'll wait to see where we close here on this weekly candle. We're looking very similar to the other coin I was showing you, right? So far it's looking bullish here, but we can easily turn red here and close down here under 17 or so. So if we close here above 18 or so on this weekly candle, this could be the start of a reversal back to 23, 24. So I'll be patient here to see where we close here for Avax. I wouldn't just go into it yet, but I'm still bullish on it. I think, you know, we're building some support here in this level, very critical level, to where we can bounce off and start going up. So, and we can see it's very oversold, right? You can see right here, very oversold on stochastic for Avax. Oh, it's on deck screener. I didn't know it was on deck screener. Here's another one of my other indicators here that I want to share with you guys. I made this too, based off Google Trends. So this indicator right here at the bottom, the way it works is it's called the Bitcoin search volume off of Google Trends, and I just basically made it into an indicator. So this is like the search volume for Google for the keyword Bitcoin. So you see right here, it spikes right here. That was the top of 2017. Then right here, we were just flatlining, and then it spikes again, 2021, right? And we can see that I believe what's gonna happen is it's gonna spike up again, and that'll probably be around the top. So you can see this is a great indicator, one of my other indicators. And this is another one right here too. This is called market sentiment. This is based on market sentiment. So these two indicators are based on like the sentiment and, you know, society and what people think about crypto basically. But this is market sentiment, and you can see like this is why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin in the crypto market. Even though Bitcoin broke 100K plus, market sentiment still been pretty low, super low compared to 2021. And we can all agree that this bull market or Bitcoin breaking 100K, it still hasn't been the same euphoria that we had back in 2021 with the metaverse, with NFTs, with all these things going on, and with crypto in the news and everything. That was a lot of sentiment right there, bullish sentiment, and we haven't had that yet. Even though Bitcoin broke 100K, it's insane. See that right there. So what basically how this indicator works is once we have a peak again, right, that'll probably be the top. It could even be lower from last peak. But once we have a spike, right, once we have a spike again, it could be when Bitcoin is at 150K, 200K, whoever knows, right? But this is one of my other indicators. Is that stochastic daily on Avax? This is on the weekly. So on the weekly, we're very oversold. I'll check out the daily though. And look, I'm going to show you right here where I'm bullish on Avax. I'm going to show you right here. So this is a... Let me see my cheat sheet. Let's take a look at my cheat sheet real quick. Yeah, it's on weekly. All right, B&B. Let's check out B&B. Let's take a look here at B&B real quick. I mean, B&B has been looking pretty good here. We're oversold again, right? We reset it out. Last time we were oversold, B&B was around 468. So B&B has been looking great. If you go right here on the monthly, check right here. Yeah, I mean, basically B&B, all B&B's been doing here is building support at its previous all-time highs. So right here we see 2021 all-time highs. And yeah, we did come down, but look, even though we came down on this crash, B&B's been holding those 2021 levels right there, which is good. I mean, this is really good. It's building strength here to eventually blast through that and go parabolic, probably over, you know, 1,000. So I'm liking B&B. I'm liking what the charts show here for B&B, even though it's coming down here from overbought territory on the monthly. Doesn't mean that was the top, right? So close here. But again, B&B is a great coin that you want to invest in long term. TARS AI. Let me see if I can find TARS AI. What's is it TAR? Is it just called TARS? Let me know. I don't know why my candles do this. I gotta try to fix that. See, you see how it does that? Oh, okay, the borders. Okay, I took it out. Okay, perfect. That's why I was doing that. Good thing I took that out. Yeah. One thing too, guys. Look, Bitcoin's been holding this uptrend right here. Let me make this. Bitcoin is, look, if Bitcoin breaks this, then we'll probably go to 73k, 70k. But Bitcoin's been holding this around there. Let's go on the weekly to really. If you have a chart, I'll definitely add this right here. This is a pretty significant. Just trying to make it perfect. We could come down here 74k if we tag it. Can you please do B3? Let me check it out. If it's on TradingView, I'll definitely do it. Let's check out B3. I think I found it. Yeah, if the coin's on, if it's on TradingView, I'll do it. Is it on Coinbase? Okay, I think this is a B3. Is this like a new coin that just dropped here back in February? Definitely not the best time to drop, right? To come out. You can see it comes out with the market crashing, but okay, yeah, it's the one. Yeah, I mean, so this coin, it's, let me see. So after coming out, it came down 76%. It's down 70% right now. Obviously it didn't come out at the best time, but it did have a nice recovery. And now, you know, it's coming down here to, it came down here to the support level. And look, most likely, I think this is going to be a bull flag here. This is looking like a bull flag. If you don't know what a bull flag is, right? We have the flag. So I would expect a big pump here very soon. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish, at least for the short term. I don't know if this coin is going to recover. This coin is definitely looking like it's forming a bull flag here to eventually pump up and put in the higher high. So I definitely think it's a great time to buy on financial advice. Okay, I got you. So it's called Thai. Oh yeah, I think I found it. TARS. Yeah, I got you. There we go. I found it. All right, let's check out TARS. TARS AI. Wow. This coin got the banana pattern, right? So it's down. Came down to 88%. It's down 86% right here. I mean, when you look at this, it definitely doesn't look good because, I mean, we lost that major support. We've been in this ugly downtrend curve. I mean, it's like every single week is a new low. So the way I would play this out is I would wait to see where it finds a bottom, right? It clearly hasn't found the bottom. Yeah, we're green so far on the weekly, but we still have 4 days till the weekly close. So I would wait at least a week or two, right? If we can get a close here on the week like this, good. And then the next week we can get another close like that. That's good. That most likely will find the bottom. But if you look here for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like the past 15 plus weeks, we've been putting in a new low every single week. So I'll be patient on this coin. I definitely want to buy right now because this could be a falling knife. It could definitely fall down lower. The market, if Bitcoin comes back down into the 70s. So that's just my opinion. All right, let's check out some more coins. Hey bro, can you check out ENA? ENA, sure. If you guys are new to me, definitely like, follow. I also have a YouTube.
New subscriber.
Appreciate all the likes, guys. So ENA. Let me see if there's a better chart here from Gate.io. Usually Gate.io has more history. All right, so ENA. Let me put a Fibonacci on it. Quick. Yeah, I mean, like ENA looks like it's probably gonna find a reversal right here. All right, if you start to see like this rounding out here, a nice rounded bottom, that's definitely a good sign. We'll probably start to come back to this level right here. But you can see how it lost that 618 and now it's resistance again, just like it was resistance here, right? Came up here resistance and then it broke right through that. Then we came down here, try to test it as support, and we lost it. So what I believe will happen with ENA is it's gonna have like a nice rounded bottom and then break through it. So I'm bullish on it. I like what it's doing. It can't, you know, break 30 cents. If we close below this, then it's not looking good. Or if you close below 31 cents or so. But again, you want to buy at these levels, right? You don't want to buy at over here. You know, when it was above $1. You want to buy when everyone is bearish, when it's boring to buy, when you feel pain because you don't know if it's going to go lower. That's usually when it's most likely not going to go as low as you think, right? We're already down like over 80%. So, and on top of that, we're very oversold here on the weekly. So very oversold. Usually the best times you want to buy. Oh, I think so. Because the one I put was TARS. It's not this one. TARS AI. It literally says TARS AI. I don't know if that's the right one. Crypto one. Yeah, I'm trying to find it. It's like the only one I could find here that says TARS AI. TARS protocol. Filecoin. Let's take a look here at Filecoin. I'm gonna be honest with you. The reason why I don't like Filecoin is that the inflation is really bad on Filecoin. You can see that in the charts. But yeah, Filecoin, in my opinion, I'm just giving you my opinion. It's bearish because, I mean, just look at this chart, guys. I mean, Filecoin is basically at its bear market lows. It came down lower. So it's 2025. Filecoin is the same price here as 2022. So 2022, we came as low as 245. 2025, we came as low as 245. See that? So I don't like Filecoin. Yeah, bad tokenomics. I think what ruins Filecoin is the bad tokenomics. Basically, there's way more Filecoin into circulation from 2021 when it was like 200 bucks. Now, right? And that's why it's been struggling here to move up. So Filecoin is, I would be careful of Filecoin. I honestly wouldn't invest in it unless they change their tokenomics somehow. Yeah. Pendo, Polyswarm. We'll check out Polyswarm first since you asked me. I think it's been a minute since I looked at this coin. Is this the right coin? Yeah, this is the right coin. H&T. Okay, I got you. I'll check out H&T. Yeah, Polyswarm is not looking that bad. I mean, I don't know if this is the full chart, but we've been in this nice uptrend, putting higher highs, higher lows, right? So if we get a bounce here, then I think it's a great time to buy at this level right here where it's at, because we'll continue this uptrend, right? Putting the higher low right there, we'll continue this uptrend. You can even put an uptrend here. Keep an eye here if it breaks this, right? So it has more, it can definitely come down lower, possibly 16 cents. Right, but if it breaks that could mean a trend reversal. But I would also watch out here for Polyswarm, to be honest, for a break of this trend into a trend reversal to the downside. There's a head and shoulders formation, right? You will see you have the head right there. Then we'll probably get a bounce. If you start to see something like that where it's getting resistance here, coming down, we break this, that could be a sign of a trend reversal. Okay, so that's what I would watch out for, but most likely it's going to bounce off at this level. So let's check out H&T. I think there's a lot of coins that'll do more than a 5x. Even safer coins like Chainlink will do a 5x. There's a lot of coins that'll do a 5x. Even Solana. I think Solana, from where it's at, will do a 5x. So let's take a look at H&T. Yeah, I mean, HNC, like you said, it's looking like it's going to make a big move, right? This could be the start of the trend reversal for HNC. You can see right here. I mean, HNC doesn't look like a bad buy right here. You can see this is a big point of control, right? Big resistance back in 2023. We drop here, we bounce off right there. And now we broke it, but we're trying to hold it here. You can see that we wick all the way back up here. It's not guaranteed that it'll hold it, but definitely not a bad time to buy this big point of control that hasn't been here since July of 2024 for HNT. And it went to as high as 11, right? 10 bucks. Right now it's very oversold. But even while being oversold, we can see that we're starting to curve up, right? That's a good sign for HNT. Could be a sign of a reversal trend here. So I'm liking HNT. I'm liking what it's doing. I see it breaking all-time highs in November. So what was this all-time high? It was 63. Yeah, I remember this. 65. In November, man. Let's take a look. We do know the crypto market moves fast, right? So definitely is a chance it can start moving fast here, but you know, I believe once we start to move, you know, on the monthly, once we get the stochastic back up here and overbought, right, just like we were very overbought here. Once we get back up here, I mean, if that happens in November, October, November, December, and we're overbought here for HNT, that could possibly be the top regarding of where it's at in the market. It could be at its previous all-time high, or it could be higher. I mean, based on this price prediction, 158 to 236, but the conservative price prediction is 158. So, and I know that's crazy to say with HNT at $3, but you know, if it does recover, if it is a survivor, it's during altcoin season. You're gonna see altcoins fly 10x, 50x. So yeah, I mean, I think it has everything to. It's just no matter how fast this bull market is gonna run. But it's been slower. I mean, this bull market's been slower than the previous one, so it might take a while. It might take a little bit before we start to see altcoins fly, until quantitative easing really starts to kick in, right? Once we get that green light with quantitative easing, then we'll probably start to fly. Haven't looked at Caspa yet. This one is H&T. It's right here. But we'll take a look at Caspa. I did buy Caspa today. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a great wallet, check out Tangem. I have a link for 10% off. I think 10 to 20% off. I actually bought Caspa today on Tangem, and it's super convenient because you can swap coins on Tangem in a cold storage wallet, right, which is Tangem. And basically you have USDT on Tron or B&B network, whichever network, and you can swap in between networks. Like I swapped B&B USDT for Caspa, which is, you know, Tangem has Caspa integrated, and it was basically super low fees. It's like a DEX within the Tangem app, so definitely check it out in my link bio. But I'm liking Caspa. We came down here, retest this big point of control. We had a beautiful bounce. at 5 cents. We're coming back up here to around 8 cents. And we're gonna get some I mean, most likely we'll come back down here to like 7 cents, around 6, and then put in a higher low, right? Create this downtrend, uptrend. You think altcoin season will only be 3? Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, guys, right? When we have altcoin season and it's clear as day that it is altcoin season, you gotta take some profits fast. One thing too regarding that, shout out to Aranda, is we might have, you know, narratives top out at different times. AI might top out at a different time than gaming or meme coins or RWA or, you know, layer ones and all that. So, bro, I want to invest 6K. What coin do you suggest me to buy? So right now, I would say, which is never financial advice, I would say, you know, I'll look into the layer ones. So like ETH, Solana, Cardano, Avax too, right? Maybe Chainlink on there as well. And the reason why I say that is because, you know, before these lower caps really start to move, you're gonna see the layer ones move first, like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, right? And these coins are a lot safer too, right? Maybe HBAR too. So that's what I would focus. XRP is another good one. So that's what I would probably invest right now. And then once those start to really take off, then you can take those profits and invest it in lower caps. Okay, Casper, yeah, Casper's another good one. So yeah, shout out. So there's a lot of, look, I think it's a great time. If you're new to crypto, this is the time to be getting into on this drop. Right, you don't want to buy when crypto's all over the news. You don't want to buy when Bitcoin is 100K, breaking all-time highs and all that, and it's all over the news. You want to buy right now when the sentiment is low, and coins are down 80%. Bitcoin's down like 30% or so. So it's a great time to buy if you're a beginner. You're coming into the crypto market. You think the whole XRP thing today is gonna start? Yeah. I mean, it definitely feels like a, you know, it definitely feels like a switch, right? It definitely feels like the vibes change. Could XRP have started the altcoin season, or changed the whole vibe? Because it definitely feels like it, right? We got the XRP news and everything, and then Bitcoins, it goes from 81K to 87. And the market's starting to move up, so we'll see starting tomorrow. We'll see, but it is bullish because now we're probably going to start to see a lot of news regarding you know, the ETFs starting to finalize for XRP. We're going to start to see a lot of things come out for XRP since that's the cases drop. So I think it's bullish. It's just highlighting a big point of control. Okay. Prems, what's up, Prems? Shout out to Prems. Just showing you guys here too the Pi cycle indicator, one of my favorite indicators. I love it so much I made my own version, and you can see it right here. Right, it accurately showed you the top here from 2021, 2017, and basically it's when these two MAs contract in a line with each other, right? Once these two MAs, which is the 111 MA moving average, 350 moving average, once they contract and start to, you know, once the 111 flips to 350, or they start to align like that, that signals a top, and that was the top 2017. You can see right there in 2021. So the past 3 cycles, this indicator has been super accurate. And this is what's beautiful right here. This is what's beautiful right here. When Bitcoin came up here to 74K, and everyone was calling that to be the top before the halving. And here's the thing, let's say Bitcoin would have kept going up to 100K, right? Let's say let's say it didn't have that correction from 74K to 49K, and it would have kept going up, we would have most likely had a premature top, because the pi cycle indicator would have probably aligned prematurely, and that would have been the top possibly in 2024, maybe even, you know, September, October 2024. But since we had that big correction, I believe that delayed the top here for, based on the pi cycle indicator, right? Because we could see that we had the big correction, but once we start to contract again, it could be when Bitcoin's at 150, 140, 200, who knows? But once we start to contract, just like we did in the previous cycles, right there. It's a 111, so it's 111 and 350. 111 and 350. Okay. So once we start to contract here, that'll probably be the top. So yeah. Yeah, render's still my radar. I did buy some more render. Render's like my biggest AI holding. But my biggest conviction, man, I don't know. I have a lot of conviction on a lot of coins. Not just render, but Chainlink for sure, XRP. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm super bullish still. Definitely join. Follow me on YouTube. I have a video coming out tomorrow for Chainlink. And yeah, I'll be live again soon, guys. Do not worry. I just been off for a while because I've been working on my course, which was 3 hours worth of filming, and then now it's like 3 hours worth of editing. So I'm 40% done with it. And that's what I've been up to. And it's gonna be coming out on my WAP, which I have my my tiers as well, my indicators and all that. It's all on my WAP. So definitely join if you guys want to check out my indicators. But yeah, love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Shout out to Aranda, Namir, Jathan. Shout out to everyone that was on here in the TikTok as well as on YouTube. You guys killed it today. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And shout out to everyone on YouTube. You guys killed it today too. Love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.